How does your client see you in these aspects? How is your brand regarded by the client? Product, your service, the salesperson's value. How do they regard that? If you don't know how they see you in those areas, how are you going to have a rich relationship of trust with the client? Do we know those things? And in the organizational chart, where is our champion? Where is the person in the company who wants to have our relationship as part of that company's progress? Do we know where they are? And who's the decision maker? Are we talking to the right person? Often we're not. Do we know who the decision maker is? Often we don't. Often the salesperson has got no idea. And what's driving the decision maker? Depending on where you sit, depends on how you see it. The CFO sees it differently to the CEO. The Chief Operating Officer sees it differently to everybody else. The Chief Scientific Officer sees it different to everyone else. Understand where you sit drives what you see. And then the top is the primary interest is what is it that we want, and the bottom one, the dominant buying influence, is the why we want it. Do we know the difference? Do we know what they want? Do we know why they want it?